Lorenzo from Inception Auto Detailing, and I actually have a real treat for you. So what I have here is a Tesla Model S Plaid edition. So the Plaid version, 0 to 100 kilometers in about 2.1 seconds. One of the fastest production cars on a straight line here. And so what we've done is a little special. So this car is worth about $200,000 after all the upgrades and all the taxes. So this is what's called the XPEL STEALTH Matte Paint Protection Film. So what this one entails is that for the same level of the paint protection, this actually will give it to a matte version. So it's something a little different because with so many Teslas that's actually out on the road, this not only gives you the paint protection, but a different way to stand out as well too. So we've done a couple of modifications here. So we've done the headlight tint here, which is about a 50% shade, where it gives it a nice like mean look along with the fog lights. We also chrome deleted these emblems here to make it gloss black to match with the plastic trim around the car. And then same thing on, come back here, over here. So we've tinted not only the tail lights, but this is a custom painted plaid, because normally they come in chrome, but we've actually did something else different just to kind of have a bit of a performance to it. So it's also got the 22 PLE ceramic coating on the entire car, and also the windows tinted as well. So this one was a treat because for some owners, who's looking particularly in the details, like we actually do removal of certain panels upon request. So we do have a third-party body shop that comes to our shop to actually remove the panels, and you'll see in some photos and videos upcoming here where we can actually do that removal for an extra cost. Where what that does is that it actually gets in the fine details where you can actually wrap right inside there where we actually have the clearance. So there's a lot of removals that was done on this car. And all those details do matter as well. So you do have the option of doing that, but if you do want to save a little bit of money where we don't have to remove, the difference is that it's just not wrapped as nicely around. But with the extra fee, you can really get into the corners there. So yeah, this car here has been in our shop for about 2 weeks roughly, and then now it's just been sitting here waiting for the owner to pick it up. And yeah, it's quite the car, that's all I gotta say. All right, and then have a good time.
good.